This is a video of all the ticket stubs I have kept over the years. It is not all the shows I've been to. And I looked online for all the opening acts because I can't remember the opening acts. I'll have all the bands and the dates and the places in the description box below. First ticket, Friday, June the 6th, 2003, Skyreach Center, Ozzy Osbourne with Finger 11 and Voivod. Thursday, November 13th, 2003, Skyreach Center, Bryan Adams with Colin James. Sunday, August 7th, 2005, Rexall Place, Foo Fighters with Sloan. Friday, November 4th, 2005, Reds, Bad Religion with Anti-Flag. Monday, April 24th, 2006, at Reds, Saves the Day with Moneen, Choke, who replaced Circa Survive, and Down to Earth Approach. Tuesday, May 9th, 2006, Starlite Room Grind Tour featuring Mad Caddies, Satanic Surfers, Stubb, and the Loved Ones. Saturday, July 22nd, 2006, Capital X South Grounds, Edfest featuring Our Lady Peace, Armchair Cynics, and Maurice. Tuesday, August 8th, 2006, Northlands Agricom, Sounds of the Underground, with such acts as I Lay Dying, In Flames, Behemoth, Trivium, GWAR, Cannibal Corpse, Terror, Black Dhalia Murder, and Through the Eyes of the Dead. Sunday, September 10th, 2006, Shaw Conference Center, Avenged Sevenfold with Protest the Hero and 3 Inches of Blood. Saturday, September 16th, 2006, at Reds, Under Oath with Silverstein, Moneen, and He Is Legend. Monday, October 2nd, 2006, Shaw Conference Center, Alexis on Fire, Every Time I Die, Cancer Bats, and Attack in Black. Thursday, April 5th, 2007, Shaw Conference Center, Taste of Chaos Tour with The Used, 30 Seconds to Mars, Aiden, Chiodos, Seocean, Senses Fail, and Of Angels. Thursday, September 27th, 2007, the Starlight Room, Boys Night Out with Six City and Sights and Sounds. Thursday, December 6, 2007, Shaw Conference Center, Alexis on Fire with Seocean, Anti-Flag, and The Bled. Sunday, February 10th, 2008, at the Edmonton Event Center. Thrice with Say Anything and Attack in Black. And this one is Saturday, February 16th, 2008. Christopher's Party Pub at 2021 Milbourne Road West. The S&M Band and the ABCs. Thursday, March 27th, 2008, Starlite Room. Minus the Bear with guests. I could not find who those guests were. Monday, April 14th, 2008, Edmonton Event Center. Protest the Hero with Chiodos, Falatroy, and guests. The next three shows happened 3 days in a row. Thursday, May 22nd, 2008, Edmonton Event Center, the Mars Volta. They were the only ones there that night. Friday, May 23rd, 2008, at the Edmonton Event Center, you had Coheed and Cambria with Baroness and Pride Tiger. Saturday, May 24th, 2008, the Starlight Room, you had Arch Enemy with Divine Heresy, Dark Tranquility, and Firewind. Saturday, July 19th, 2008, the Starlight Room, you had Motion City Soundtrack with Spill Canvas and Sing It Loud. Wednesday, October 1st, 2008, Edmonton Event Center, Opeth with High on Fire and Knock Mystium, if that's how it's pronounced. Wednesday, December 3rd, 2008, Shaw Conference Center, Rise Against with Thursday and Sage Francis. Tuesday, March 10th, 2009, Edmonton Event Center, Under Oath with Norma Jean and Inner Party System. Wednesday, April 1st, 2009, Rexall Place, Nickelback with Seether and Saving Abel. Only paper ticket I have, and the only comedy ticket I have. Sunday, June 7th, 2009, Rexall Place, Dane Cook with Robert Kelly and Al Del Bean. Friday, July 31st, 2009, at Comerica Park in Detroit, Michigan, the Vans Warped Tour, featuring such acts as 303, A Day to Remember, Chiodos, Under Oath, Alexis on Fire, Say Ocean, and many more. Tuesday, September 15th, 2009, Shaw Conference Center, Killswitch Engage with In Flames and Between the Buried and Me. Which is actually a pretty cool lineup. Then Friday, October 16th, 2009, Starlight Room, And You Will Know Us by the Trail of Dead with Future of the Left. Saturday, November 28th, 2009, The Pawn Shop, Moneen with Sights and Sounds. Saturday, February 14th, 2010 at the Shaw Conference Center, Frequency EDM with such acts as Paul Van Dyke, Ferry Corsten, Marco V, Benny Benassi, Class, Alex Guadino, and others. Starlite, Starlight Room, Friday, February 19, 2010. Chasing Jones, 7-sided and dual side. Friday, April 23rd, 2010. Starlight Room, Day to Remember with Enter Shikari and August Burns Red. Sunday, June 6, 2010, Avenue Skate Park, Strike Anywhere with Tushamore, Bane, and Low Talker. Tuesday, September 14th, 2010, Rexall Place, Aerosmith with Joan Jett and the Blackhearts. Monday, September 20th, 2010, Edmonton Event Center, 30 Seconds to Mars with Neon Trees. Wednesday, October 20th, 2010, Edmonton Event Center, Coheed and Cambria with Fang Island. Tuesday, October 26, 2010, at Avenue Theater, Enter Shikari with Haste the Day, MS White, Sleeping with Sirens, and Lights Go Blue. Monday, May 23rd, 2011, at the Starlight Room, Sleigh Bells with Neon Indian and guests. Could not find who those guests were. Wednesday, December 19th, 2012, Shaw Conference Center, Jingle Bell Rock 2012 featuring Alexis on Fire and Moneen. Thursday, February 21st, 2013 at the Pawn Shop, The Far Side. Can't remember if they had any guests, and I don't think I really found any. Sunday, October 18th, 2015, Rexall Place, Slipknot with Suicidal Tendencies and Beartooth. And my last ticket, Wednesday, August 30th, 2017, at the Windspear Center, Spoon with White Reaper.